Transferring your existing crypto funds and their associated security to a new Tangem wallet is a straightforward process. This script will guide you through importing an existing seed phrase into your Tangem wallet, ensuring your assets are managed with Tangem's secure, card-based system. Before starting, ensure you have your Tangem cards activated and the Tangem app installed on your smartphone. You will also need the 12, 18, or 24-word recovery phrase, often called a seed phrase or mnemonic, from your other cryptocurrency wallet, written down accurately and securely. Never type this phrase into any online form or software other than the one specified by the wallet manufacturer. Open the Tangem app on your phone. If your Tangem card is already set up, navigate to the Add Wallet option within the app settings or main screen. If this is a brand new setup, the app will prompt you to create or restore a wallet immediately after scanning the card. Select the Restore Wallet or Import Wallet option when prompted. The app will then ask you to input your existing recovery phrase. Carefully enter each word of your seed phrase, paying close attention to spelling and order. The phrase must be entered exactly as it was provided by the original wallet. The Tangem app may offer predictive text to help, but double-check every word. Once you have accurately entered the entire phrase, confirm the input. The Tangem app will process the phrase and associate the existing cryptographic keys with your Tangem cards. You will be prompted to scan one of your Tangem cards to complete the binding process, linking the imported seed phrase to the physical card security. After the scan, the app will confirm the successful import. Your previous wallet's addresses and associated cryptocurrency balances will now be accessible and manageable through your Tangem wallet and protected by your Tangem cards. Always keep your physical Tangem cards and the original seed phrase secure. The seed phrase remains the ultimate backup for your funds.